Hello, and welcome back to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about concentration, so let's get started. When this topic comes up, a simple answer that you could be asked is, when is it hard to concentrate? If you simply want to say, it's hard to concentrate when there's noise around, that would suffice. But as always, we want to go further. You could say something like, concentration becomes challenging in noisy environments or when I'm feeling overwhelmed with multiple tasks. Another question you could be asked is, what may distract you when you're trying to stay focused? My phone's notifications often distract me when I'm trying to focus. Or external distractions like incoming messages and social media notifications can divert my attention from my task at hand. In what situations do you need to concentrate? As likely students, your simple answer would be, I need to concentrate when I'm studying for my exams. Or, situations that require intense concentration for me include studying complex subjects or working on intricate projects. When do you need to be focused? I may be focused during important meetings at work. Or, big focus is crucial when I'm engaged in critical discussions or making important decisions that demand careful attention. What do you do to improve concentration? I try to find a quiet place and put my phone away. Or, to enhance my concentration, I create a distraction-free environment, prioritize tasks, and set specific time intervals for focused work. What do you do to help you concentrate? I listen to instrumental music to help me concentrate. To boost concentration, I use techniques like the Pomodoro method, which involves short, focused work periods followed by breaks. Is it easy for you to do two things simultaneously? Is another question you can be asked. No, it's not easy for me to do two things at once. Multitasking is challenging for me, as I prefer to give my full attention to one task at a time for better results. Is it difficult for you to stay focused on something? Yes, I find it hard to stay focused for a long time. Or, staying focused on a single task becomes challenging if it requires extended periods of attention, and I'm working on improving my endurance. So those are all the sample questions for today. Next up, we have the reading passage. And as always, read along with me. Pause when you have to, research when you need to. This is intended to give you more information about the topic so to incorporate into your own personal analysis. I'm going to look slightly to the side, as I'm unable to memorize this quite. I can't memorize it. So, concentration involves directing our attention to a specific task while filtering out distractions. The brain's prefrontal cortex plays a crucial role in maintaining focus. Factors like stress, fatigue, and external disturbances can negatively impact our concentration. Modern technology has introduced a plethora of distractions that can hinder our ability to concentrate. Notifications, social media updates, and switching tasks can make it challenging to stay focused. It takes an average of 23 minutes and 15 seconds to regain focus after being distracted. So, some strategies to enhance focus. Create a distraction-free zone. Designate a quiet and clutter-free workspace. Use the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, followed by a short break. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Get proper sleep, exercise regularly, and eat a balanced diet. Engage in mindfulness and meditation. Train your mind to be present and less susceptible to distractions. Prioritize tasks. Break tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. Few concentration View concentration as a skill that can be cultivated through practice and dedication. Believing in your ability to concentrate is crucial. Develop a growth mindset that acknowledges the potential for improvement. Mastering focus and concentration is an engaging, ongoing journey that requires self-awareness and effective strategies. Understanding the science behind concentration and identify external distractions. Implement proven techniques to enhance focus in various aspects of life. And concentration is a valuable asset that contributes to productivity and personal growth. That's all of the reading passage today. Next up, we have our vocabulary expressions. Read along with me. We have concentration, distraction, attention, focus, productivity, preoccupation, disturbance, multitasking, attention span, mindfulness. Words related to strategies for maintaining focus: stay on track, zone in on, maintain focus, be engrossed in, and minimize distractions. Be in the flow, get in the groove, divert one's attention, block out distractions, lose track of time. Be fully absorbed, keep one's eyes on the ball, stay present, be immersed in, keep one's mind on the task. So those are all the words today. Next up, we have the paraphrasing activity. We have questions, statements, and discussions. I'll read through the first two with you, and then the last bit on your own. So, when is it hard to concentrate? Instead, you could say, in what situations do you find it challenging to maintain your focus? Another question, is it easy for you to do two things simultaneously? You could say, do you find it simple to perform two tasks at the same time without losing focus? What may distract you when you're trying to stay focused? What factors have potential to divert your attention while attempting to remain concentrated? As a statement, you know, engaging in multiple tasks simultaneously often leads to reduced performance in each task. Attempting to juggle several tasks at once frequently results in diminished outcomes for each task. Concentrating on my studies becomes difficult when there's a lot of noise around. I struggle with maintaining my focus on studies in noisy environments. To reduce productivity, it's important to minimize distractions and keep one's attention undivided. In order to boost efficiency, it's crucial to reduce interruptions and ensure complete focus. And behind me is the descriptions. Good luck. Thank you as always. I'll see you on the next one.